Do shrimp and eggs go together?
That would be a big fat no.
Well, I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna saute a few shrimp and some buttery garlic, and then I'm gonna make an omelet and put the shrimp in the omelet, and we'll see if it's a go or a no.
Okay, let me get a drop cloth.
A drop cloth. Get the painter's tarp out and my bio suit. All right, I got the shrimp in there. I got some garlic in there and some butter, and I'm gonna put a little pepper in here.
Shrimp and grits, not shrimp and eggs.
Okay, my wife said shrimp and grits, not shrimp and eggs, but we'll see. We'll see. You don't know until you try. Okay, just so you know who the person is that's telling me shrimp and eggs aren't a good breakfast. What are you having for breakfast, hon?
I'm having chicken spaghetti and macaroni and cheese and bacon.
There you go. Chicken spaghetti,
Bacon.
macaroni and cheese with bacon for breakfast.
Yep.
Now, who's the weird one? Let's get them eggs beaten. All right, I got my shrimp out of there. That looks pretty good. And I put my my eggs into the buttery, garlicky mixture here. And yeah, sorry if that doesn't look appetizing, but you know, too much butter is just something people don't say.
Water still looks the same, green.
Well, it appears all that buttery, garlicky goodness, peppery goodness got stuck to the bottom. So let's just proceed here. Get on there, garlic.
See, I'm done with breakfast. I cook mine in the microwave, done.
You're a microwave chef.
Yeah, it's called reheat instead of cook.
That's just because you're afraid to get the stove dirty. All right, I'm gonna put a little cheese on that, but I gotta put the phone down to do that. We'll be right back. Now we fold the egg. Give everything a chance to melt.
Now all I need is for the dogs to come lick my plate and I'm done.
We don't do that. You know, we do feed the dogs as we're eating. You know, they all get a little bite, but I promise you, we don't let the dogs lick our plates. Why did you say that? You're trying to embarrass me.
My God, it was a joke.
I know.
But for all those that don't have a sense of humor, they have them at Walmart. Go buy one. Get it. Go get it.
Okay. I think that's enough heating up. Let's off the stove. Come on. You come with me. Get a fork. Texas Pete, come on, you're up. I'll tell you what, I'll try it without the Texas Pete. Now I got some shrimp in there, that's good. All right, down the hatch. Yeah, I would do that. It definitely needs some hot sauce. A nice coating of hot sauce. Okay, my breakfast is officially better than yours. Yep, that's a go. That's definitely a go.